In this video, we are going to see how you can cut or move your audio in the software. So I imported this particular audio in the previous lecture. So mainly the editing part, let's listen the audio first and then we will decide what changes we want to make. So to listen to this audio, I'll just press spacebar.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our...
So it will play like this, and whenever I want to stop or pause, I'll just press the spacebar again.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our in Canva. So we will use all the tools so far in the practical of a project that is a movie that you can check. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to our...
So for example, I don't want this starting clip where I am greeting the audience. Instead, I just want directly from here. Or maybe you have some blank space, a lot of empty space in the starting. So how can I get rid of that? I'll just select that particular portion and then just press Ctrl X to cut that part, and it will be gone immediately. Now, if I want to zoom through clip, I cannot, see this clearly, all the parts, and I want to zoom it, expand this wave a little bit. What I can do is from the top, I can zoom it either like this, or otherwise just hold the control key and just scroll in your mouse scroller. Just scroll from the wheel and just hold the control key together. So you can easily expand the size or reduce the size of the wave easily like this. So again, in the middle of the clip, if I want to delete some part, let's say this is the extra audio. So I'll just select this part just by normal selection, just hold the left key and scroll through it, and then just press Ctrl X to delete. Now let's say that I want to cut this audio into two parts, where in the middle of that I want to create a gap. Maybe I want to include a presentation and then start the audio. So for whatever reason, I want to split it between two parts and then just move it forward to create a gap. How can I create the split? Because whenever we select any particular audio and press Ctrl X, it doesn't split that part, and still the audio clip is same. So if I want to create a split, let's say here, I'll just press Ctrl I on my keyboard, but I have changed this short key to V. Just I'll press V to create that split, and now I can move that other clip anywhere around. So if you want to reconfigure that short keys, if you're not comfortable with, let's say, Ctrl I, you can easily change that. I'll just go to the edit option and I'll click on preferences, and here you will select this shortcuts option, and right here split. It will show you different options and their relevant shortkeys. So if I want to set a new one, let's say I want to configure it to N, let's say. So I will just press set, and now the new key will be N. Whenever I want to split, I'll just press simple N and it will create a split, and then I can move that other clip anywhere around. So whatever is your purpose, maybe you want to create a 5-second silence where you want to include the presentation when we compile a particular audio, or let's say you want to include the music in that part. So for any reason, you can just create the split and then save it like this. So that's basically it. This is how you can cut or move your audio around in Audacity. If you have any questions until now, just feel free to ask that, and I'll see you in the next video.